The new SOLAS rule will have a significant impact on shipping and logistics and trade flows worldwide. It's a rule that was implemented by the International Maritime Organization in 2014, and it requires all shippers, that is the owner of the cargo, to verify the gross weight of the cargo prior to it being loaded on the ship. The reason being to reduce maritime accidents and create greater maritime safety across the container supply chain. Well, the industry is preparing in a number of different ways. I mean, one of the things that's actually making this rule complicated to be prepared for is the fact that every one of the countries that are signatory to the IMO are going to be enforcing the rule independently on their own. And so there's some concerns about whether the rules that are imposed in one country will be the same as the rules imposed in another country. And shippers are going to have to come to understand that so that their supply chains are not disrupted. Well, shippers can comply by weighing cargo on their own or having somebody else conduct weighing on their behalf. The rule states that the shipper must present a verified gross mass, which is an actual weight derived from actual weighing that is signed by a representative of the shipper to the ocean carrier before the container load can get loaded. So shippers have to decide where they will be able to undertake a weighing process, whether at a factory or whether at some consolidation center on a road or at a seaport. The question has come up often is whether there could be disruption to cargo movements as a result of this rule. In other words, if shippers aren't fully prepared or if procedures haven't been fully explained and there's uncertainty on the part of supply chain participants in terms of how the rule is going to get implemented. It's unclear at this point whether the industry, or to what extent the industry, is going to be fully prepared by July 1, 2016, just a few months from now. And if they're not prepared, there could potentially be disruption, or if they are prepared, then cargo will continue to flow smoothly and hopefully in a more safe environment.